What if improving the way you eat didn't mean surviving on boring salads, skipping every food you love, or following an impossible diet? What if instead, you could build your meals around delicious foods like vegetables, fish, olive oil, beans, fruits, whole grains, and flavorful Mediterranean-style recipes? Today, we are taking a closer look at the Mediterranean diet plan from mediterraneanplan.com and answering one important question. Is this program actually worth trying? Stay with me, because I'll show you what you get, how the program works, and who I think it may be best suited for. So what do you actually get? According to the current offer, the program includes a personalized Mediterranean meal plan, with your meals planned for you. You also get Mediterranean recipes, snacks and desserts, shopping lists, nutrition analysis, workouts, and access from your devices. The program also includes a beginner's guide to the Mediterranean diet and ongoing email support. And one feature I particularly like about this type of program is the convenience. Instead of spending hours searching Google or Pinterest for "What should I eat today?" The program is also built around a 30-day challenge. And I think that's an important concept. Instead of thinking, "I'm going to completely change my lifestyle forever starting tomorrow," you can focus on the next 30 days. One meal at a time. One day at a time. The official program describes the challenge as a way to know what to eat and when, while making Mediterranean-style meals easier to prepare. It also includes recipe resources and planning tools designed to make the process easier. The goal isn't simply to give you a list of foods. It's to give you a system you can actually follow. But let's be realistic. No meal plan is magic. Your results will depend on your individual circumstances, how consistently you follow the program, your overall food intake, activity level, and other lifestyle factors. And you shouldn't expect dramatic results simply because you downloaded a meal plan. So who might benefit from checking out this program? I'd say it's particularly interesting for someone who wants a structured approach to Mediterranean-style eating, doesn't want to spend hours planning meals, wants recipes and shopping guidance in one place, likes having a daily plan to follow, or simply wants to learn more about Mediterranean-style nutrition. But if you are looking for a magic pill or a guaranteed overnight transformation, this probably isn't for you. This is a food-based program, and consistency matters. The Mediterranean Diet Plan link is in the description below. Click it to see the program details, what's included, and available options. This is an affiliate link, so I may receive a commission if you purchase through it, at no additional cost to you.